Welcome to Biomindscape. Today we are going to know about the digestive system. Digestive system is a fundamental process in all living organisms that involve obtaining and utilizing nutrition. Its primary function in animal is to bring nutrition, water, electrolyte from an external environment into every cell in the body through the circulatory system. The process of digestion is accomplished by both mechanical and chemical process. It involves several stages. Ingestion, that is intake of the food, digestion, breaking down of the food into micromolecules, absorption, absorbing of all the molecules in the bloodstream, and estimation, the absorbed substance become component to the cells. And egestion is eliminating of the undigested substance. The digestive system include the alimentary canal and associated digestive glands. So alimentary canal is a continuous muscle digestive tract that start with the mouth and end at the anus, and it consists of mouth, the oral cavity concerned with the reception of food. Mechanical digestion bring here with chewing by the teeth and tongue. Chemically digest start with the salivary amylase from the salivary gland. Digestion begin as soon as the food enter the mouth. Then buccal cavity, another name of the oral cavity. Mechanical digestion is initiated here by chewing with the help of the teeth and tongue. Pharynx, a short common passage of food and air that the oral cavity lead into. The esophagus and trachea open in the pharynx. Esophagus, a thin, long muscle tube that conduct food to the stomach. It passes through the neck, thorax and diaphragm. The esophagus takes chews food and squeezes it downwards using the muscle contraction called peristalsis. Now stomach, the functions as a temporary storage organ for food. It is located in the upper left portion of the abdominal cavity. The food remains in the stomach for 4 to 5 hours. Rhythmic peristaltic movement churns and mixes the food with gastric juice to form the chyme. Gastric juice contain HCl and proenzyme. The HCl help to digest the protein and other food by pepsin enzyme, which minimize the harmful bacteria. Then intestine includes small and large. The small ones consist of final digestion and absorption of food. It is the longest part of the alimentary canal and has three main regions: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. So the small intestine is lined with the mucosa, a layer of tissue that help and absorb nutrition, produce digestive enzyme and make the mucus to protect the delicate intestinal wall. Most of the nutrition from the food are digested and absorbed in the small intestine. The simple substance formed by the digestion and absorbed in the duodenum and ileum region. Then large intestine, it is also known as colon. So here it consists of the cacum, colon and rectum. This is where the digestive process comes to an end. Most of the bacterial livings in the digestive tract and can be found in the large intestine. It is involved in the absorption of more amount of water, some mineral and certain drugs. Then rectum concerned with the temporary storage of feces. This feces matter is solidified in the rectum, and anus is the posterior opening through which the alimentary canal opens out. Egestion of feces occur through the anal opening. Now digestive gland, these are exocrine gland that secrete biological catalyst called enzyme. The digestive gland associated with alimentary canal. The salivary gland, there are three pairs in the mouth. They secrete salivary juice which contain enzyme that start breaking down the food while chewing. Then liver, the largest gland in the body, situated in upper right of the abdominal cavity. It secretes bile which is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder. Now bile helps the small intestine by breaking down fats and making them easier to absorb. The liver also performs several functions, including destroying aging and defensive blood cells. Now storing glucose, fat-soluble vitamins and ions, detoxifying toxic substance and synthesizing non-essential amino acid and urea. The liver is also important. The pancreas. Pancreas is the second largest gland in the digestive system, situated below the limbs of the U-shaped duodenum. The exocrine portion secrete pancreatic juice containing enzymes such as pancreatic amylase, trypsin, and pancreatic lipase, and it is connected to the duodenum where three important digestive enzymes are made: protease, the digest protein; lipase, digestive fat; and amylase, digestive carbohydrate. The wall of the alimentary canal from the esophagus to the rectum consists of four layers: serosa, muscularis, submucosa, and mucosa. After digestion, the macromolecules of the food are converted into their corresponding monomeric units: carbohydrate into monosaccharides, protein into amino acid, and lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. So absorption is the process where these end product passes through the intestinal mucosa into the blood and lymph. The villi in the ileum are the absorbing units. The undigested and unabsorbed substance move in the large intestine, and the digested weight and unabsorbed substance in the ileum enter the large intestine and more continuous fiber called rawhage. The waste is solidified into feces matter and in the rectum and eliminated through the anus. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.